Shukla from the Bhawanipur Education Society College along with my fellow mates, and here I am to explore sustainable fashion.
First question is, have you ever done DIY or upcycled your clothes, and can you give one example if you have done so?
Yeah, while I took the admission in Bhawanipur, the first project I made was DIY project only. As from childhood, we do some sort of things like Barbie ka kapda banana and all. So we made some do-it-yourself clothes. We combined our old shirts, trousers, jeans, denims, and all the old stuffs like broken buttons, and we made a cool sort of torso dress, which was a little street style dress. So yeah, we made them and we wore them. We did a photo shoot and it was awesome.
Okay, it was for your college assignment or you have
It
done
was
it
kind of
personally
an
as well?
assignment also, but for myself also. Like I used to love making something out of old useless things and stuff. So it was like both sides.
Okay, thank you so much. It was very valuable. Thank you.
What does sustainable fashion mean to you?
Something which is very eco-friendly, okay, something that we can carry forward, something that we can recycle, something that we can reduce carbon footprints in the world, okay. So we call this process of making garment as sustainable garment, okay, so that the environment is not hampered much, and we can make people more comfortable. We can give more people comfortable breathing space. The oxygen is more widespread. There is less of toxicity all around, okay. So the making of the such garment recyclable are actually sustainable garments.
Hello Shatuki, I have two questions. And the first would be, do you prefer thrifted or second-hand clothes over fast fashion?
See, fashion itself is a very fast revolving field. Okay, you can just say which one I prefer. But if personally, I will say second-hand clothes are quite better because, as you have asked Rajkaran sir about sustainability. Sustainability is a very big word. It's not about the fabrics, because I generally work with sustainable fabrics like hemp and jute and all. But still, we will have to use polyester threads. Now, if you use cotton threads on the other hand, cotton threads will tear easily. So you can't make 100% sustainable stuffs. Okay. So the thing is, second-hand clothes. Now there is a fine line of silver lining between what you call sustainability and what you call recyclability. Sir has told this it's a sustainable product. It is sure a sustainable product. For me, it's a recyclable product because you can see it both ways. Plastic can be recycled. Sustainability is not only about the fabrics. You can suppose this is a cloth. It's made of cotton and a blend of polyester. For example, let us say polyester is not a natural fiber. Okay, but you can use this cloth for many years, like 4 or 5 years, much more than the general lifetime which is gifted with this cloth. That's kind of sustainability too. So second-hand garments for me is kind of more preferable.
Okay. Thank you. I have another question. Do you think fashion can be both trendy and eco-friendly?
Yes,
Why?
fashion can be both trendy and eco-friendly. We can use materials, we can innovate materials. I generally come from an engineering background, so I generally know how you can integrate both engineering and fashion in both of it. So yeah, sure, it can be both. It can be anything. Fashion can be. You don't restrict fashion in such a small space.
Yes.
Like it can be all sorts of stuff.
Okay. Thank you.
If you're talking about lifestyle and fashion products, and where my products are concerned, I think I will not, because I am dealing in leather. It's always preferable to buy pure leather products because it can be destroyed if you keep inside the mud. Any leather product, leather bag, leather wallet, leather belt, it will get destroyed. So it's more eco-friendly. But if you buy a non-leather product, a non-leather bag or non-leather belt, if you put inside the mud, it won't get destroyed. so it's not eco-friendly.
Have you ever tried thrifting or bought second-hand clothes?
No, because I'm not really sure about it because of its hygiene purpose and also ज़्यादा thrifting store तो मिलते भी नहीं हैं. That's
Okay. Thank you so much.
घर में अगर आप करते तो कैसे रीयूज़ करते हैं?
घर में जैसे आप बड़ा लड़का है, आप उसके छोटा हो रहा है तो छोटा लड़का को दे दिए, वो यूज़ कर रहा है.
तो और कोई तरीका जिससे आप लोग यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कोई जो कपड़ा जो एकदम ख़राब हो चुका हो, पर और कोई तरीका से यूज़ करते हैं?
और कोई तरीका तो है ही, जो पूरा ख़राब हो गया वो तो फेंक दिया जाता है.
Best clothes that you find these days are from thrifted stores. Like look at this fit. This fit that I have on is thrifted. Right. I got like this is supposed to be 600. I got this at 100. This is supposed to be around 1,000. I got this at 500. Thrift store pe.
So like how often do you buy new clothes from thrifting stores and all?
See, whenever I have money, whenever I have to buy clothes, I buy from thrift stores.
Realistic question.
Realistic budget. I make sure that what I buy is eco-friendly. Right. But if it's not in my budget, again, I'm a college student. I'm broke as... I can't use that word. Anyway, moving on.
Okay. And how can we raise more awareness about sustainable fashion on college campuses? Do you have any tips or advices?
See, that's a slightly long question, so I'm going to take up a bit more of your time.
Sure.
First of all, we have to we have to abolish this idea कि अरे नए कपड़े लो, fashion में है ये वो. That whole क्या बोले superiority complex in fashion, we have to abolish that, because if we do that, then people will start to वो लोग क्या करेंगे ना, they'll start to go towards sustainable fashion, they start thrifting, they'll start designing their own clothes, etc. अभी क्या है, it's an era of fast fashion. सबको बस चाहिए जो trending है. अचानक से मेरा चश्मा टूट गया, whatever. No biggie. But no, as I was saying, it's an era of fast fashion. We can't do anything about it as long as we keep this idea of जो चलता है वही अच्छा है, right? And I have a few tips for people that want to get into thrifting. The first thing is, whatever you buy, make sure to clean it properly. That's common sense, but some people, whatever. Make sure to clean it properly. And secondly, a lot of stores these days, they advertise themselves as thrift stores, but in reality, they are the fast fashion stores. Thrift stores you're going to find in places like Esplanade, Dharamtola, and all that, like basically South Kolkata, right? So that's all I would say.
So it's a budget friendly for the students as well and eco-friendly as well.
Absolutely it is. I would recommend it for college students especially, because we're broke all the time.
Definitely. So thank you so much for your valuable time.
Guys, that's the end of the video. Remember, every single purchase you make affects our planet. So next time you're shopping, give second-hand pieces a second-hand chance. Till then, like, share your views, share our channel, and subscribe.